Welcome back, cruisers, to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest ship, Star of the Seas, and we're going to give you a tour of the Central Park area. So let's go. So first off, we have the shops. Got your high-end watches, your Breitlings, your Omegas. Called the Regalia. And we're going to have to slow down here a second so I can get... And once again, unique artwork all over this ship. So Central Park, home to over 10,000 live plants. They have a full-time arborist that takes care of it all. And here we have Park Cafe. And it's early in the morning, so here you can grab some grab-and-go breakfast. Get some breakfast sandwiches. You got a bagel bar right here. They're fixing some stuff here. So that was Park Cafe. And cutting through here, let's get a picture of this. Hang on. Now I will say that this Central Park feels tighter than the Central Parks that are on the Oasis class ships, but there's a reason for it, and we'll show you that in a minute. So here you have the Trellis bar, basically the wine bar, but it has all the drinks. And coming around, we have Chops Grill. Now we're gonna go in here real quick. Chops Grill is Royal Caribbean Steakhouse. And here on here on Star, excuse me, they actually have a special menu of Wagyu steaks that you can order from, and it is on Icon and Star. And while we're going to step out of Central Park for a second, only for a special reason to show you real quickly. The other specialty restaurant that is on that gate. And it is the Lincoln Supper Club. I don't know if we can open this or not, but we're going to try. We can. And we are going to show you a quick view with nobody in here. As you can see, this is a very exclusive dining experience. It's a 7-course meal along with live music and matching cocktails with every course. And we will be doing that tonight. So we'll be showing you in a separate video all the food that's included. And check out that art right there. All the food that's included with the Lincoln Park Supper Club dining experience. So now we're going to head back into Central Park.
Hey.
And now going down the other side. Here we have Izumi's. You have the hibachi. I don't know if I can go in there or not. Morning. It's open. you have your hibachi tables and your sushi side. We do love Izumi's, one of our favorites. I was never a big sushi fan until I started doing Izumi's. And unique to the Icon class, Star and Icon, is the Izumi in the park. Grab and go, sushi and ice cream. So you can get some sushi, get some dumplings, and then they have the bubble cones. Gotta try bubble cones, still haven't had. And here we have another planet person. And here we have the walkway down to the Royal Promenade. And this is just a fantastic addition that they've made to the Icon class ships from Oasis to help with just the flow of people. So here in the middle of Central Park, instead of having to go to one of the elevators and walk down the stairs, you can walk straight down from deck 8 to deck 6, and you come out here at the Pearl Cafe. Good morning. And now showed you that. We're going to continue on down here. And this is the reason why this Central Park is tighter than the Central Parks on Oasis class ship, is because of the Pearl. As you can see, the Pearl all the way up to deck 8 takes up a lot of the space up here. But they did that, like I said, in the Royal Promenade video. Make sure you go to the playlist and check that out. And make sure you are liking, subscribing, and checking out all our videos on Star. So as you can see, we can look down on the Pearl Cafe from Central Park and out the windows. So you actually have not just natural light coming from up top, but natural light coming in, and you can see the ocean, which on the Oasis class ships, you can't see the ocean from Central Park. So once again, more unique art. The dog is peeing over here. Once again, not a golden retriever, which it should be, but that's okay. And as you can see, once again, this Pearl is taking up a lot of walkway space in Central Park. But when you're out in sea and you got the ocean views, right now you can see Icon that's parked next to us. Good morning. And here we have, also new to the Icon class ship of Star and Icon, is Lou's Jazz Club. And let's see if we can get a quick look inside here. Oh, we do. It's a little dark in here, but that's okay. Just give you a quick tour. Look. And named after Louis Armstrong. And here's where they'll have the showcase band, the band that I just showed you. Sorry. So the Lincoln Park, I showed you they do live music, and the Bat Band will also, during your cruise, play in here. So once again, Lou's, named after Louis Armstrong. It's an awesome atmosphere, and we're going to have to get some footage of
Alpha, Alpha, Alpha.
Oh, wow. So Alpha, Alpha, Alpha means that there was a medical emergency, and we hope that person is okay. So there you have it, folks. That was your Central Park tour here on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the playlist over here for all of our Star of the Seas videos. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.